Welcome to another episode of Big O Video. Today we're going to be smoking a wonderful boneless butterflied leg of lamb. And we have our resident Greek, Anthony Bagatis, here. And he did all the prep work on it. And he's going to step in real quick and tell us how he prepped an old family recipe.
Well, thank you, Christian. So, Greek heritage, lamb's very important. What we've done here is we've butterflied it, like Christian said. We're going to add a little salt, add a little pepper, put a little oregano on there. Then we're going to half a lemon, freshly squeezed lemon. We're then going to get some garlic cloves, halve those cloves, and put a little slit in the meat in random areas. Put the cloves in there, and from that point on, I'll let Christian take it back over. Opa.
Indeed, what we did here is this comes with a fat cap. After we butterflied it, obviously comes with a fat cap, but after we butterflied it, we came in and we trimmed a lot of the fat cap off, leaving some of it just for some great flavor and some moisture. So basically all we're going to do to get this thing going is we're going to take the Big O grease catcher. And many of you have seen this. Basically where it goes in the bottom where the bottom cooking grate goes, and it keeps all the moisture and the drippings off of the wood chips. And today we're using the beef wood chips that we provide from Orion. So basically all we're going to do is take the grease catcher, put it in place, line up the drip pan, you're good to go. Now we're going to take this cooking grate here, put it in the lowest cooking grate, our Weber i2 grill probe. We're going to take the thickest cut of meat here and we're going to put the probe in the thickest cut section of it.
Bah.
And then what we're going to do is place it on the bottom cooking grate. Now keep in mind, as we talk about all the time, that probe is facing up. So none of the moisture from the drippings or the moisture follows that lead out and into on the driveway. Here is the second one. This is the smallest of the two cuts. Place it there. And folks, that doesn't get any easier than that, really. So we've got a seasoned leg of lamb, butterflied. We cut it in half, both sections. We got the biggest of the two on the bottom, the smallest of the two on the middle cooking grate. We're going to take the lid. We're going to light it. We're going to pull this off at 120 degrees, let it rest, and then we'll be slicing into some unbelievable leg of lamb. Take care. Look forward to seeing you soon.
Christian, I got one more question for you. If somebody didn't want to butterfly it, could we still put that in there?
100%. You just wouldn't take the roast where the bone was and slide it up and cut it and butterfly it out. You just leave the whole roast in there, prepare it the same way you did from your family recipe, and then
put it on the bottom grate.
Put it on the bottom grate, stick the probe in there, light it, and you're good to go. So thanks for bringing that up.
Absolutely.
We'll see you guys here shortly. Thanks a lot, and bye. All right, guys, we're back after about 40 minutes. We pulled this at 37 minutes and let it rest for about 10. And boy, it smells absolutely spectacular.
Spectacular.
Looks fantastic. I guess the next thing we got to do is cut in this bad boy and
Let's
see how
do
it
it.
looks.
Man, that looks perfect.
There you go. You kidding me? Absolutely spectacular.
Time to eat.
Time to eat. Let's give it a little taste test. That's it.
That's unbelievable.
Absolutely fantastic. And again, keep in mind, folks, we butterflied this as we mentioned, and so our cook times went down to about 7 minutes per pound. If you were to do a roast, the whole roast, not butterflied, figure on about 10 minutes a pound. If that same roast is bone in, figure on 12 minutes a pound. But you're going to get some absolutely moist, tender meat that's absolutely fantastic tasting. And Anthony, I can't thank you enough for sharing your family recipe here. And
well, Christian, we're just going to keep it between us,
right,
and our couple of friends here.
Yeah, that's it.
And look, guys, go out, try this. It works with leg of lamb. You can do it with lamb chops. You can do it with the lollipop lambs. Anything. This recipe will work great.
You guys take care, and next time, be safe out there. Take care.
Take care, guys.
as the producer of this episode. Big O video, the Greek lamb version. Take 2. 2, 3.
Welcome to another episode of Big O Video. Opa.